and Vinton counties. A low-pressure system will bring a warm front through the area this afternoon and tonight, followed by a cold front late tonight and Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms with both of these features are likely to bring heavy rainfall at times. The weather pattern has been wetter than average this month. As a result, soils are close to saturation in many areas. Heavy rainfall at times this afternoon through Saturday to give rise to flooding in the most vulnerable areas, especially if any of these areas get hit repeatedly. Reminder, a flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flash flood watch for the entire listening area. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood watch from 2 p.m. this afternoon through 2 p.m. Saturday afternoon. Strengthening low pressure will move northeast through the Ohio Valley tonight and Saturday. This weather system will interact with a very moist air mass to produce widespread showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon into tonight, with additional showers and embedded thunderstorms on Saturday. The potential exists for 2 to 3 inches of rain to fall through Saturday afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall amounts in excess of 3 inches will also be possible where thunderstorms persist. In addition to the threat for flash flooding, local rivers will see substantial rises with some spots possibly experiencing minor flooding. A flash flood watch means that flooding of small streams, creeks and other drainage areas is possible within the watch area. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Fayette County, Indiana, Union County, Indiana, Wayne County, northern Butler County, Clinton County, northern Warren County, Greene County, Montgomery County, Preble County, until 8 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced very heavy rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to train across the area with another 2 to 3 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that could experience flooding include Beaver Creek, Connorsville, downtown Dayton, Eaton, Kettering, Lebanon, Liberty, Miamisburg, Middletown, Oxford, Richmond, and Springboro. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Highland County, southern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clinton County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Cuba, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Nudiana, Leesburg, Greenfield, in addition, Martinsville, Morrisville, New Antioch, Lees Creek, Highland, Samantha, East Monroe, and New Martinsburg are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until this thunderstorm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now, the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Pike County, northern Scioto County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Idaho, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and very heavy rain. Locations impacted include Piketon, Lucasville. In addition, Idaho, Elm Grove, Ladd, Mount Joy, Bear Creek, Wakefield, Givens, and Germany are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Flash flood watch. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Madison County, southern Pickaway County, northeastern Clinton County, northern Highland County, Pike County, Ross County, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced very heavy rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that can experience flooding include Chillicothe, Circleville, Greenfield, Hillsborough, Washington Courthouse, Waverly, Bay Bridge, Jeffersonville, Kingston, Leesburg, New Holland, and New Vienna. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Scioto County, eastern Pike County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Givens, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, frequent cloud to ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of eastern Pike and northern Scioto counties, including Germany and State Route 335 and State Route 776, Stockdale, Beaver, Menford, and Portsmouth Regional Airport. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Meigs County and southeastern Ohio, southeastern Benton County and southeastern Ohio, Jackson County and southeastern Ohio, northwestern Gallia County and southeastern Ohio, northern Lawrence County and southeastern Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 8 miles east of Piketon, or 9 miles southeast of Waverly, and moving east at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Jackson, Wellston, Oak Hill, Rio Grande, Gallia, Hendon, Colton, Vinton, Wilkesville, Adamsville, Radcliffe, Petersburg, Maybe, Dexter, Salem Center, Beyer, Carpenter, Center Point, and Diceville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has extended the flash flood warning for Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, southern Benton County in southeastern Ohio, Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, northern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Mason County in West Virginia, until midnight at 8:10 p.m. Local law enforcement reported flash flooding continuing across much of the warned area, with the most widespread reports in Mason and Meigs counties. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jackson, Wellston, Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Pomeroy, Oak Hill, Rio Grande, Racine, Rutland, New Haven, Mason, Gallia, Middleport, Chester, Hampden, Syracuse, Hartford City, Colton, Henderson, and Vinton. Additional significant rainfall from thunderstorms can be expected for the remainder of the evening across the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report high water by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
The National Weather
Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near LaRue from this evening until Sunday evening at 7 p.m. Saturday. The stage was 10.5 feet. Minor flooding. This forecast flood stage is 11 feet. The river will rise to near 11.3 feet by daybreak Sunday. At 11 feet, flooding occurs in agricultural areas near the river.